Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, we have a possible sneak peek at a future spoiler. Something might be coming to a future BoxyCharm box. Now, Joe put this story on his Instagram stories the other day, and I seen these items in the background, and of course in the video he's like, oh, these ain't spoilers. And then before he gets off, he's like, maybe, or something. He says something to that nature. I'll show you guys the clip of the video here in a minute. Well, so I didn't think anything about it, and on Instagram at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, which is where I get a bunch of my information, she also has the same thing up, so she's thinking the same thing. So could it be, guys? Could Kylie's skin be coming to a future BoxyCharm box? I'm going to show you guys the clip, and I'll be back.
We're going to be very happy. Kata?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Growing my eyelashes.
We're going to do before and after.
Yes. Testing this out for like a month.
I'm the worst photographer here, did you see? Guys, this is not a sneak peek, okay? This is just Brand's team getting a bunch of products, playing around. Maybe.
So guys, here's a close-up of the, I don't know if that's the cleansing water. I'm not exactly sure which product this is, but this is a Kylie skin product. This is from the brand new line that she just released. So could it be in a future BoxyCharm box? And if it is, what do you guys think? Comment down below your thoughts. Do you want to see Kylie's skin in a future BoxyCharm box or what? And you guys know Joe is always trying to tease us. Come on, Joe, you are killing us. Just tell us. He likes to sneak those things in the background, and somebody always catches him. But I think it's a really fun way for him to reveal some spoilers. I think it's really fun. And as always, guys, if they release any more information, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.